Hey everyone, welcome to Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're stepping into the realm of ultimate comfort and adventure with a glimpse into the 2025 Toyota luxury motorhome. This isn't just a camper van. It's a meticulously designed mobile palace, blending Toyota's renowned reliability with top-tier luxury. Toyota has clearly focused on a seamless blend of style and functionality. The aerodynamic profile, integrated solar panels, and power-retractable awning hint at the sophistication within. The exterior is designed for both aesthetics and practicality, with features like integrated lighting and strategically placed storage compartments. Step inside, and you're greeted by luxurious living space. Premium materials, like genuine leather and polished wood, create an inviting atmosphere. Smart technology is seamlessly integrated, with voice-activated controls and a centralized touchscreen for managing all systems. The spacious layout ensures comfort, whether you're relaxing after a day of exploring or entertaining guests. The kitchen is a chef's dream on wheels. High-end appliances, like a built-in induction cooktop and a convection oven, make cooking a pleasure. Smart storage solutions maximize space, and the elegant dining setup provides a comfortable place to enjoy meals. The bedroom is a sanctuary, featuring a plush king-size bed and ambient lighting. The bathroom is equally impressive, with spa-like amenities like a rainfall shower and a heated towel rack. This motorhome redefines what it means to travel in comfort. Entertainment and connectivity are paramount. A state-of-the-art surround sound system and a smart TV provide immersive entertainment. High-speed internet and multiple charging ports ensure you stay connected, even in remote locations. This motorhome is designed for extended off-grid adventures. The integrated solar panels and high-capacity battery system provide ample power. A sophisticated water filtration system ensures access to clean water, even in remote areas. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views, cooking a gourmet meal in your fully equipped kitchen, and relaxing in your luxurious living space. The 2025 Toyota luxury motorhome makes this a reality. This motorhome is more than just a vehicle, it's an experience. It's about embracing freedom and adventure without sacrificing comfort and luxury. What do you think of the 2025 Toyota luxury motorhome? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more glimpses into the future of travel.